Assalamualaikum friends, welcome to my channel. I am facing some weird issues with WhatsApp. Normally when we are sending some YouTube videos, you will see the preview of the thumbnail or the video preview like this. But from yesterday, whenever I am sending a video, I am not getting this video preview. So today I am going to solve this issue. So make sure that you subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click the bell icon to get the latest updates. So first of all, I will show you when I send a link, so you can see the video is not loading. Okay, so now what we will do is we will search here WhatsApp web for desktop, and we are gonna open this whatsapp.com, and you will see here whatsapp.com/download, and you can choose here some options like Windows 8 and higher for 64-bit. If your Windows is 64-bit, then you can choose this option, or otherwise if it's 32-bit, you can choose this option. So I'm going to choose this option. Once you click here, WhatsApp setup will start to download, and I have downloaded it already here. So going to show in the folder and just click and run it and install. Just click run. So I'm gonna show you from mobile also. When I open WhatsApp and I am sending this video, you are seeing it's not loading the thumbnail. So I'm trying to send and it's not showing the thumbnail like before. So the desktop version of the WhatsApp is being installed. So after installing this, you will see here you have a QR code, and you're gonna open mobile WhatsApp, and you just click on these three dots and go to WhatsApp web, and just press this plus to scan this QR code. After you scan this, WhatsApp will automatically open. Okay. And then you can just click it here and try to send from here again. So we will try once more. I'm going to close this WhatsApp. Okay, now I'm going to paste this link again here, and you can see that it's working here. It's loaded. I can send it like this, and now the preview problem is solved. This is a temporary solution until the problem in WhatsApp mobile is fixed. You can easily play any video and you can watch it. So now if I open in my mobile also, see I am able to see this preview. Now you can easily forward it to anyone from here using your mobile. No need to log into your PC again. This is for one time only. So I hope you like my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more tricks like this, and I will see you in next video. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.